Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're all well. As you've seen, that is me all set up in the OEX Jackle 2, converted into a hot tent. So tonight I think it's going to get down to 4 degrees, which isn't too bad, but good enough to switch the hot tent on. So I'll show you what my sleeping arrangements are before I get the stove set up. So, as you can see, plenty of space in here. It is a 2-man tent, but it is lightweight and packs down into a small size. So first and foremost, I have the foil mat. I've actually got that double layered, but it is really thin and lightweight as well. I've got the OEX Traverse air mat, which I really like, and that folds down tiny, absolute tiny. The OEX Evolution Fathom 400. I think that it's got a comfort rating at like 0 degrees, something like that, but it's not too bad. And I've also got my Trekology pillow, and you will see in here there are so many pockets for everything. There's a hook up here for your light. There's also a hook behind my head here just now, and there in the corners here there are a couple of pockets. I use this one just for tucking the door in and keeping it out of the way. I also have my duck down jacket in case it does get cold tonight and I start feeling it, and I have my waterproof jacket, my snood and my wee sit mat. So I will get my stove set up just now and show you how we're going to get this working. So I've been fishing for a wee while with no luck. It's really windy as well, so it's quite hard to cast with a fly rod. So I thought I'd stop, get a wee fire on and start prepping some dinner. So I'll show you what I have tonight. A ribeye steak. There's all my wee stuff as well. Got a wee cup of tea there. So just going to wait on that fire dying, doing a wee bit, and get my dinner on. Good morning. Oof, it's a cold one. So up first thing this morning, dressed, got the kettle on, made myself a wee cup of tea and made myself some porridge. So gonna get my tea and my porridge down me and get everything packed away, and then spend a couple of hours doing some fishing before I go down the road. Oh, what an amazing night again, really good night, really chilled, relaxing. So stay tuned and I'll bring you back if I catch a wee fish, alright? But anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've not already, hit that subscribe button. But other than that, I hope you all stay well, stay safe, and